This is Alfred's Premier Piano Course, Lesson Book 4. I will play pages 14 and 15, Olympic Procession. After I play the song, I'll go over the rhythm workout, mention a few practice tips, and then you'll be all set to go. All right, this is a fast 6/8, so feel 2 beats in each measure. 1, 2, here we go. All right, so let's take a look at this rhythm workout. The trick here is to keep the left hand notes very crisp. Think of them as staccato, like you heard me play the chords, and your right hand will be more of a legato touch, which you really can't do as you're just tapping, but you're going to be holding down longer note values as you lift the left hand quickly. So take it nice and slow at first as you get used to just the different way you're doing each hand. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You may want to just do the right hand by itself first and then add the left hand. And just let that left hand just spring up after each touch. It's nice and steady, but it could just be hard to coordinate both parts. So take it slow, work it over, and then try it faster. In the music, we'll want to listen for those quick releases on all these staccato left-hand chords. Just lots of root position chords. And notice they label the 3 main chords here that we're going to use over and over. And then we also see a D major, C minor, B flat major, A flat major, F minor. So this is a great review of lots of different major and minor triads that your left hand is using. The right hand spends most of its time just in a G minor 5-finger pattern with some little excursions away. So watch some fingering here, some nice scale fingering. And then here we move up into a more of a C minor position for a little bit. But again, a little bit of moving around out of those positions. Watch your fingering carefully. A little bit of pedaling here, and then a finger substitution. So remember, this is where we play silent transfer. 1 to 5 transfers aren't all that common, and they're not super easy because we just have to get that in there. So take some time and just work that out slowly to help it become more comfortable and easy. Notice that when you get to the top of the second page, your melody is the same as you had starting at measure 5. So just an octave higher in the right hand. Left hand just does the same thing. We get into another section here where the right hand gets some of these chords, lots of repeated chords. Left hand just trading off this rhythm, and they're moving at the same rate. So we have the C minor chords, and then we play these A flat, fifths, and then the right hand moves down a third to the A flat, and then the left hand also goes down a third to the F, and then another third down, another third down. So we're going down by thirds, but the hands are not really matching up on the same notes. We have A flat, C, F, A flat, D flat, F. So just keep in mind how those are working together, but in slightly different positions. And then again, more pedaling through this part to watch for. Here, the same types of positions you had before, G, F, and E flat, just now played as fifths. The right hand, some higher ledger line playing, and then down to those nice sixths at the end. Have your damper pedal prepared one more time. Octave lower for the last G. Again, work this out at a slow 6/8 speed, and then you can work up your tempo